So this one time at band camp, well, really, it was a dungeon party. I was tied up with my friend who, two fellow submissives and bottoms getting smacked with implements left and right. And what I noticed was that she was taking it like a good girl, all quiet, saying thank you every time she got hit. And here I am on the other side going, fuck you, fuck your mom, whoever made this paddle for you, fuck them and their mom too. So after the scene, during aftercare, it got me wondering, am I the asshole? Am I the bad submissive? The one that's so mouthy who swears like a sailor while the other person takes it so nicely and says thank you after every hit? There are a lot of misconceptions about what it means to be a good or bad submissive, so hit the like button if you want to know more. Hey, I'm Veronica Yanhs, founder of Desires Laid Bare, where we help beginners explore kink without shame, judgment, or leaving anything on the table. Listen, I've been in the kink community since 2013, and I have seen, and as a submissive myself, my fair share of what different submissives look like. And being in the kink community, you also hear a gazillion opinions as to what makes a good or bad submissive as well. So I guess in a weird way, this is me adding my own opinion to it. But I would like to say that as a submissive who finds it really important to understand who you are as a person first before you identify as a submissive, my take on it could be a little bit different. So in this video, I want to talk about the 3 biggest misconceptions as to what makes a good submissive. Number 1, a good sub doesn't have any hard limits or safe words. Having a sub that never says no or doesn't have any hard limits or safe words actually is dangerous. It means that they might not know themselves as well as they could know. And the thing is, this is a big misconception because a lot of times I have seen DOMs wanting subs that have really no hard limits because it means that the DOM can do whatever the heck they want with the sub and the sub will take it happily. So in order to be a good submissive, in my opinion, a sub should have a ton of boundaries, a ton of limits, and know that they can use their safe words without repercussion. Misconception number 2, a good sub has no opinions and just goes along with everything. Let me just get on a little rant here. A lot of DOMs want a feisty sub, want a sub who speaks out, want a sub who's very powerful and sure of themselves. And when push comes to shove and when that actually comes through, they get insecure. Like, seriously, why would you want to be a doormat? Why would you want your sub to have no opinions, to have no thoughts? You might as well just go fuck a sex doll. Wow, why did that was not. And number 3, a good sub is soft-spoken and demure. Obviously, biggest eye rolls ever because as I was telling you earlier, I swear like a sailor. I speak my mind. I have a voice that projects. A lot of times, DOMs want subs to be seen, not heard. And while it would be inappropriate to think that that is the norm, it is something that I've seen before. But in terms of what makes a sub good or bad, being quiet and being seen and not heard is not what makes a good sub. I mean, don't let me be the role model as to what makes a good sub because I say fuck left and right. If you're someone that is not like me, you're someone that's actually soft-spoken and more on the quiet side, that is okay. Like, I'm going to say it again. If you are quiet, if you are soft-spoken, if you are graceful, because I am not, it is okay. You are a great sub. And the reason why I say this is because being a good submissive ultimately requires you to have a lot of agency and power, which means that you need to be sure of yourself and to be able to communicate and articulate your needs and your boundaries to the people that you're with. Even if you are partnered, what decides you as a good sub versus a bad sub is up to you and your partner, right? It's up to you to negotiate with your DOM what good and what bad looks like. But even so, and DOMs, I'm talking to you, even if you are partnered, encourage your sub to be themselves because acting with integrity wins every time. To thine own self be true. Thank you, Hamlet. If you want more information on this topic, go check out my dominance and submission playlist because I'm going to have a lot more content on this dynamic. Seriously, if you found this video helpful, share it with someone who might be questioning if they're a good submissive or not. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, subscribe to the email list, and most importantly, be yourself. A good submissive acts with integrity. It's totally normal. Hey, I'm Veronica Yanhs, and when I say that desires laid bare helps beginners, fuck,